Gravely zero turn, 2015-ish model, ZT48XL. Needs a fan on the drive motor because this one is missing all the fins. This is how it's done. Gotta start by taking this spring off. A couple pieces of wood and a pry bar will get her done for you. There she is. Once you've got the tension off the belt, that'll just sit down like that. 3/4 inch nut. There's the old one. What caused this drive fan to have all the fins break off was this bolt that holds the whole drive assembly up. It sheared off. This whole drive motor was slowly bending down because it only bolts to those tabs right there and then that one bolt at the front. But since that whole assembly had twisted, it caused that fan to come ahead and it smashed all the fins off. So got the new bolt in there. Gonna get this fan on and that should be fixed. Torque to spec. When you're putting the spring back on, leave the belt off of one of the drive pulleys so there's slack. Slide the tensioner over, put the spring on. Once you get the spring on, slide that over, shove that over with a bar, then get the belt in the pulley.